Hello, today we're talking about decluttering and how to maximize the space you have, because you only have a finite amount of space. So if you have too many things for that space, then the space is filled with those things and there's less room for you and your family. So if you want to maximize the space in your home, then start minimizing the things that you have that are perhaps cluttering your home. Even if they're not, if you've been maximizing your decorations and maximizing your furniture and maximizing your dishes and all the things, maybe it's just too much for your space. It's not wrong, it's just too much for your space. So today, start looking around and saying, can I maximize this space? Would it feel more open, more peaceful, more relaxed if I got rid of a few things? There's nothing wrong with being a minimalist, a mediumalist, or a maximalist, except for the fact that as a maximalist, it's taken up too much space in a small home. That's it for today. Have a great day.